Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you some top tips and tricks in Monopoly Go. Number 1. Collect shields. Shields are used to block others from damaging your landmarks during shutdowns. It will not only protect your landmark, it will also lessen the chance of them getting more money from you. Number 2. Participate in mini games. These mini games are the best source to earn extra money. The games are very easy, so you don't have to worry about that. Number 3, utilizing your resources efficiently. You can use the auto roll as much as you want, but when you observe your board and there are more shields in there, or if you have the multiplier going at the max of 5 or 10, then you can use that, as well as if there are more events so that you can get more money, more shields, more rolls, etc. And number 4, do not build your landmarks. This defeats the purpose of the game, but if your goal is to get more money, go ahead and do this. You will never get shut down since there are no landmarks to hit. You just have to be careful though, as others can steal that huge money during bank heists. So if you don't want that to happen, before logging out of the game, spend them or upgrade your landmarks to move on to the next board, or get as much shields as you can to protect your empire. And that's it.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.